Everyone blank here. Everyone is here or everyone are here. What it should be? Do you know? Well, everyone is here. None of this information blank correct. Is correct or are correct. Is correct. Some of the equipment blank heavy. Is heavy or are heavy. Is heavy. Those blank dolls. Those is dolls or those are dolls. Which one is correct? And what it should be? What's the right answer? Well, those are dolls. Hi dear guys, welcome to my channel Khuram's Everyday English. Today we people are going to learn together inshallah about the verb to be, is and are. You know, basic to advanced learners, they get confused in the selection of is and are, and we will learn correctly when we use is and when we use are. After this lesson you will inshallah ta'ala have a good command on it. Okay, you will never ever inshallah ta'ala do the mistakes inshallah in the selection in the matter of is or are. So I'll explain later. I'll tell you people later why we use in the first three blanks is and are in the last one. So let's move on for further explanation. Yes, here we are, and we use is after someone. Someone is sad, somebody is sad, no one is sad, nobody is sad, or you can say that nobody is happy. You can change the sentence. It depends on you. Okay, everyone is sad, everybody is sad. Here I have a question. What do we call these words? What do we call these words? We call these words indefinite pronouns. We call these words indefinite pronouns. And what are indefinite pronouns? Indefinite pronouns refer to non-specific people or things. They don't name a particular person or object. We talk generally, okay? We do not highlight any person or thing. You know, non-specific people or things. They don't name a particular person or object. And these our indefinite pronouns, they seem to be plural, but they are in actually singular. Yes, these pronouns are our singular pronouns, and that's why we use with them is. Okay, we use with them is always. Let's see examples. Someone is at the door, everybody is happy. We must use is. Okay, after someone, somebody, no one, nobody, everyone, everybody, we use is with this. Okay, after this we use is. This is beautiful, that is beautiful, and we use are with these. After these we use are. These are chairs, those are chairs, and we use is after, like, all of the information is fake, some of the information is fake, most of the information is fake, none of the information is fake, and we use are after all of the reports are fake, some of the reports are fake, most of the reports are fake, none of the reports are fake. I tell you the reason behind it, why we use here is or with this or that. Okay, I tell you right now. So these words, firstly this, that, these, those, the word The words this, that, these, those are called demonstrative pronouns. Okay, what are demonstrative pronouns? They are used to point out specific people or things. In the previous slide we learned about indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns, they do not name a particular person or things, but demonstrative, we highlight a specific person or yes, things. So this and that, these are our singular, and we must use after this and that is. And this is used to show near distance. This is beautiful. That is used to show a distance, little bit far distance. That is beautiful. These and those are plural, and we must use after these and those are. That's the reason we use are after these and those. What about this area? Why we used here is and are? So remember one thing, dear guys, after our uncountable noun we must use is. We always use is. Information we can't count it. Okay, so that's the reason we use here is. All of the information is fake. Some of the information is fake. Similarly, reports, it's our countable noun, and we use always after our countable noun are. Okay, so all of the reports are fake. Alhamdulillah, we have done everything almost successfully. So let's move on, let's go ahead. Dear guys, it's practice time. Let's assess. Okay, what we learned today. Let's fill these six blanks using our verb to be correctly is and are. Are you people ready? Let's go ahead. Number one, those laptops blank expensive. Yes, it's your turn now. Laptops and those laptops. Okay, those laptops are our demonstrative adjective. Yes, so and you can see it's our plural, and after plural we use are. Those laptops are expensive. No one, just recall, no one, it's our indefinite pronoun, and we use after indefinite pronoun always is. No one is at home. This cake, this, it's our demonstrative pronoun, and after this and this it's our singular, and we use it for near distance. So this cake blank delicious. This cake is delicious. Most of his advice blank useful. Is or are. Advice. Okay, let me know one thing. Firstly, can we count advice? Not at all. Okay, so most of his advice, and after advice, after our uncountable noun we always use is. Most of his advice is useful. Number 5, everything blank ready. Everything, yes, think. Everything, dear guys, it's our indefinite pronoun. Okay, so it's our singular, and we use always is after everything. Everything is ready. Number 6, someone blank in the car. Someone, it's our singular, and indefinite pronoun and we use is after someone. Someone is in the car. Dear guys, I hope you people really enjoyed my today's lesson. I hope it was really informative, fruitful and helpful for you all people. Thanks for watching. You are requested like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next lesson. Take care.